Okay guys, so look, after some good rain, this road is submerged underwater. Look, the water is bubbling out of the ground. You guys can see. Let's go and have a look. We're going to drive down this road with my Lanai Rustler motorcycle. Let's go. Guys, as you can see, the water is rushing down here. This is pretty cool. Look here, some rapids going down there. Pretty damn cool, guys. I love it when the water is like this. It's right about, I think, right around 60 millimeters in, what can I say, about an hour and two, I'm not sure, but yeah, this is quite a lot of water rushing down here. On both sides of this wire, the water rushing down. This water that's going down this path is going to a relative big dam. Not big, but it's good enough for cows to drink water out of. Yeah, this field that I'm driving through is submerged completely. Well, not submerged, but got quite a lot of water. So I'm going to that dam now, so we can see. Maybe it's overflowing. I hope it is. But yeah, a lot of water that's flowing down here. Because I could almost drive here. That's how deep the water is. Okay guys, we will see a pretty good inflow. I'm pretty sure about that one. Oh yep, I think this dam is overflowing. Yep, for sure. For sure, bro. For sure. Let's go and see. Yep, we got a lot, and I mean a lot of water that's going through it. Oh, I'm so grateful for the rain. Okay guys, so that's the inflow. You guys see that white bubbly stuff? That's the inflow. It's pretty strong. Let's go there and see if it's overflowing. I'm pretty sure it is. And this water that's here, like here, you guys can see that's also going to this dam. I'm pretty sure it's overflowing. I'm pretty positive about that. Okay guys, I'm entering the dam now. Yeah, I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to drive through to the outflow, but I think it's overflowing. Let's see if we can make it there. Yep, we can make it over there. There's barbers swimming there. Okay, did not expect that. Yep, it's overflowing, guys. You guys can see, here's where the overflow is. It's a pretty strong stream going. You guys can see. I'm taking the outflow now because I'm gonna go to our other dam. It's not on our ground, but I will go and show you guys where the water that's overflowing there is going to. So guys, let me just get that stream again. I'm kind of wangling and dangling myself through this thick bush. Yeah, it's pretty gnarly. Yeah, but I'm pretty sure down here somewhere I will find that. Okay, let me just get through here. Yep, tomorrow I have a lot of punctures again on this wheels of mine. Yep, the water is standing here. I might have to guys down for a second. Not sure. Oh no, I got away. Found it. Stand up a little bit. Like that. And we should be good as we can get. Guys, we are very glad that we got this rain. It rained pretty dang hard. All this water that's going here is going to this decent sized dam, our neighbor's dam. But let's quickly get to that spot and then we will turn around and go see our other one of our dams we have on this farm is overflowing. Should overflow pretty damn good after this decent rain. You guys can see that pretty much everywhere I'm driving it's water. Okay guys, so yeah, I'm pretty much, if I walk here I would be knee deep maybe in the water. Okay, not knee deep, but you get what I'm saying. Guys, look at the water flowing. I love it. Love to see that. Okay guys, I'm gonna end this video and we'll start a new one when I get to the dam that will overflow pretty big. The water is going like this. Okay guys, so there in the distance about there is that dam I'm talking about. All this water is going to. Okay, let's go and check the other one. Cheers for ears and see you next time.